Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about self-talk. The things you say to yourself when nobody's around. You know, there are so many people walking around with low self-esteem, defeated, broke, busted, and disgusted because they telling themselves in here that this is it. Guys, I'm telling you, personal development is so key because you have to, first of all, believe in yourself before anybody else will believe in you. Because I've seen people that try to get out here and sell stuff and do this and do that, and they wonder why it's not working. It's not working because, number one, you got in your mind it's not going to work. And then when you talk to somebody or they see your videos, they can see it in your face that you don't believe in what you're saying. And I always go back to the saying, 1% doubt and you out. If you have 1% doubt that you can't do it, you're not going to do it. You might as well stop right now. So this year, it's almost May, y'all. Get your self-belief up. Get your confidence up. And when you walk in a room, walk in like this your room because it's yours. So if you know anybody that can get value from this video, please like, comment, and share it. And if you're on YouTube, just subscribe to the channel because I'll be coming out with more videos to help you with self-development, personal development, all kind of stuff. Y'all just tune in. This is Booker Williams. It's going to be good because I said it's going to be good. I'm out.